1 minute. That's right. Bump bump. That's right. Bump bump. Triple four is Challenger. I got my amplifier all the way up. Copenhagen long cut. Yeah. Whoa. Get it up there, triple four. Get it up there. Challenger on the radio. Listen to a little skip land going on. Let me check the. It's 9:40 in the evening. Good skip going on. I don't usually talk on skip. I just usually sit there and listen to old triple four here in Fitzgerald. Good friend of mine. Good friend of mine. Forgot to mention in my past video, I got an Antron A99 antenna about 20 feet in the air. It's a good antenna, good SWR. I'm running a German amplifier. Somebody in Germany sent me. He's a good friend on my CB Radios page on Facebook. If you want to go there and like my CB Radios page, you can find my page on Facebook. Just look up CB Radios. Should be a picture of a CB radio behind a purple wall. I bought that. It's my first CB that I ever owned. I'm going to see if I can get some skip, just for the hell of it. Challenger in Georgia, Challenger in Georgia, come on. By the way, this is a mud jug. Get you one. Don't spill. You hear it? Not a drop. Love it. If you dip, get yourself a mud jug. But the amplifier I got is a German amplifier. Somebody in Germany. That's on, like I said, on my Facebook page. He sent me that for free because I can't find any amplifiers out here in the U.S. And he said he'd send me an export amplifier from Germany. I had a hard time reading the instructions because they were all in German. That's a good amplifier. It does draw a few amps from my, draws about 7 amps DC from my power supply, which is an Astron RS35A, 35 amps. Let me turn this off real quick. I usually use the PA CB switch when I want to turn off the sound because I like the volume at a certain level. So usually when I turn off the radio, I don't even mess with the volume knob or the power knob. I just reach over here, turn my power supply off, and as you can see, it turns off when I want to turn it on, just like that. Lots of signals coming in, lots of signals. And I forgot to mention in my other video also that the reason why I haven't made any videos in a long time because I haven't had a camera, and my laptop has been recently reformatted. Yeah, I had a lot of crap on it. So I thought, why not use my computer's webcam to make YouTube videos until I can get the money to get a new camera. It seems to work. It uploads faster, not several hours, maybe a couple minutes, maybe about 20-30 minutes. But it works good. I like this one because it shows me the how long my video is, and I like that. That's Strong Signals 444. He lives here in Fishdale. Good friend of mine. First person I talked to on the CB when I was younger. I started CB when I was 15 years old. When I was 15 years old, and I'm 18 now, so I've upgraded a lot. My first CB was put into an '88 Dodge Dakota Sport. Hold on a minute. And I had a 102-inch width CB and coax and an antenna. That's all I had. My very first radio that I had was a Midland 1001Z CB radio. It lasted a pretty good long time until finally the final output transistor popped. So I bought a Cobra 19 Ultra something like that. It's 19 Ultra 2 or something like that. That was my first base station radio that I had here on the desk. And I had that 102-inch width on my antenna mast. Had a mount made for me. And then that one went. My grandmother in northern Georgia, she sent me this Cobra 29 LTD I went on Amazon, bought me a Antron A99 antenna, and I didn't expect my amplifier to come on the same day. So I was just messing around, checking SWR, which is really good SWR. And then my amplifier came in the same day, so I wired that in line. The signal chain, I'll tell you the signal chain. The signal chain runs from the back of the radio down to my amplifier underneath the desk. Then the output of the amplifier goes into my meter, and then out from the meter goes out to my antenna 20 feet in the air. I have all my signals running through a Drake low pass filter, because my neighbor has over-the-air TV and she was complaining that I was interfering with her TV, so I bought myself a low pass filter, and that took care of the problem. Now I can key down on this thing. Let me go to an adjacent channel here. I can key down on this thing as long as I want, and it won't even complain. I've had to replace a few fuses in my power supply when I first got the amplifier because it drew more than 5 amps. No, it drew more than 2 amps. So I had to get a 5 amp fuse, and it solved the problem. Let me show you the fuse. Okay, let me turn everything off before I get electrocuted. This is the fuse. A good fuse, big powerful fuse. Hit my knee on the desk. As you can see, the lights dim every time I key up. Draws a good bit of amperage from my room. Yeah, I just want to do another Challenger radio station update. Kind of give you more in depth of my station, which is right here. Powered by Dr. Pepper, which is empty. Might as well throw that away. Let me see if I can get a good shot of my amplifier. That red thing right there is my amplifier. Let's see if I can pull it off. It's my amplifier. Good skip conditions. Let's listen to the Super Bowl channel. Those guys on Channel 6 are running some hellacious equipment. I'll never compare to them. Listen to that. And I just got down. But yeah, that's the radio station. That's my old computer mouse. Probably doesn't work anymore, so I'm just going to turn it off. I usually use this radio over here for listening to the local NOAA station, especially during bad weather. I usually listen to that during the NOAA station. Yeah, bad weather I listen to the NOAA station here when we have bad weather. Recently we had a big tornado come through, and that was very helpful. I'm wanting to get some battery backup supply for my radio desk, so that way I can continue running my radios during a power cut. I'm probably going to get 2 deep cycle marine batteries. My dad works at a factory. I can get those very cheap, about $20 for a battery. Run it and put them in parallel, extra current, and should run this radio without problem for a while. Or at least I'll have some kind of form of communication during a power cut. I'll probably mount the switch here on the power supply right here. That's my Astron 35A power supply right here. Good power supply. This thing weighs a ton. It's a good station. But yep, that's the Challenger radio station update. See you soon, 73s.